Welcome to Cloud AI Pilot. Let's see how to connect your AWS account to Cloud AI Pilot. Once you log into Cloud AI Pilot, you will see the dashboard page. Navigate to the Cloud Account section and click on the Connect Account button. A dialog box opens showing 4 cloud options, so you need to select AWS. Once you select AWS, it will open a dialog box showing the input fields on the left side and detailed instructions on the right side. In the display name field, type a name for how you identify this cloud account in Cloud AI Pilot. For the step-by-step full guide with screenshots, click the hyperlink on the right side. Now open your AWS console in a new tab. In the search bar, search for IAM and click on it. Navigate to the Roles section and click on the Create Role button. Select AWS account. A couple of options appear below. Select another AWS account. Switch back to Cloud AI Pilot and copy the AWS account ID shown on the left side. Then come back to the AWS console and paste it into the account ID input field. Switch back to Cloud AI Pilot again, copy the external ID, come back to the AWS console and paste it into the external ID input field. After that, click the button Next. A long list of permissions policies will appear. Switch back to Cloud AI Pilot and in the instructions section, note all the roles you need to select. Come back to the AWS console, search for these roles as shown in this video, and select them. After selecting all the required roles, click the button Next at the bottom right. Enter the role name. Any name works. Scroll down and check the Add Permissions section to confirm the roles added in the previous step are appearing here. Then click the button Create Role. A notification will appear confirming the role was created successfully. In the list of roles, click on the role you just created. On the role detail page, click on the Add Permissions button, then click Create Inline Policy. In the Policy Editor section, switch to the JSON editor. Switch back to Cloud AI Pilot, copy the JSON code from the Instructions section as shown here. Come back to the AWS console, remove the existing JSON code and paste the code you copied. Click Next. Name the policy Cloud AI Pilot SSH Access and click Create Policy. Repeat this step. Click the Add Permissions button, select Create Inline Policy, and switch to the JSON editor. Switch back to Cloud AI Pilot and copy the second JSON code from the Instructions section. Go back to the AWS console, remove the existing JSON code, paste the new one, then click Next. Name this policy Cloud AI Pilot Recovery Access. You will see a notification, Policy created successfully. If you want to use the FinOps module in Cloud AI Pilot, add one more permission as shown here. After that, copy the ARN code, switch back to CloudAIPilot, and paste it into the ARN input field. Click the Test and Connect button. You will see a notification saying AWS account has been added successfully. You will then see a Verify Permissions button in the dialog box. Click it to confirm all the permissions you added are working correctly. That's it. Your AWS account is now successfully connected to CloudAIPilot. You can start using CloudAIPilot to provision or import existing servers, deploy applications, and more. If you encounter any issues while connecting your AWS account, refer to our documentation at docs.cloudaipilot.com.